Gold and silver both traded in a no trade zone as we have discussed few hours back. See the power of levels I have mentioned. The buying could be done at 33.66. What has happened? We have seen gold is struggling to break beyond 33.66, while on the downside the same 33.54.55 offered it a very good support so far, and likewise with silver 38.40 offered it a very good resistance. So now what to expect with the US session? Yes, the markets are muted before the key inflation data awaited from US, and that will definitely add on to the volatility, which direction it's going to go, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We are going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to deliver 2 updates a day such that you can profit across the Asia, Europe and US session. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the now look at gold on the early charts. What it has done after the drop, it has retraced, it is consolidating here. If you now see it is staying about 33.68, you can buy, but then 33.74.76 is the next resistance here. Notice after the rise, prices have retraced, it is again bounced back, but what we are seeing here is this, as it is creating another bearish channel here. So we have to wait and watch. If it delivers a breakout beyond 33.74.76, you have to just stay with the buys. Else what's happening right now? See red green red green red green. Once you see it is staying below 33.54 levels, you can take a sell. 33.54, 33.50, 33.40 levels are going to remain critical till 33.40. It has got very good support, and the next support is at 33.30. As long as 33.30 is respected, do not treat gold as bearish. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD has crossed over and it is trading in green. It is a buy signal here. RSI is staying flat, but mixed indication we are getting here. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, see here preceding few candles, you should notice higher highs are seen and higher lows are seen. And see the preceding candle shied away, it is a doji candle, and that is why I say as long as now 33.54 levels are not taken, do not initiate a selling entry here. Only and only if you see gold trading below 33.54, you can take a sell. But then I'll say 33.50, 33.44, 33.40, very good support exists till towards 33.40 levels, and then the next strongest one is at 33.30. Very clear. Stochastic is at top, the MACD trying to converge, not yet crossed over. The RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour charts, when you look at 3-hour charts, see on the 3-hour charts, if you look at the preceding two candles, higher highs, lower lows are seen, and now the current one is starting on a bearish note. Just let it stay below 33.54, 33.50, 33.44, 44, 33.40 zone till 33.40. Very good support. Below that, it may deliver a greater correction. Be mindful of this. The moving averages though have crossed over on the buy side, and that is why I say till 33.30, do not treat this as bearish. Till 33.30, chances of a pullback, chances of a bounce back will be high. The stochastic getting overbought, while the MACD has crossed over here for a sell, and it is trading bearish as of now. RSI, that is also trading bearish. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, notice preceding two candles, you can see diminishing bullishness, though it has achieved higher highs. But you can see the body size is getting smaller. There is a push from the upside. Look at the wicks on the upside. Now also notice till higher lows are respected, you have to be careful, and that is why I say only sell below 33.54, and then too with caution till towards 33.40, below which more bearishness should prevail. The moving average is crossing over here. This is a buy sign though, but yes, it will take couple of more bearish candles for these to cross over again on the sell side. The stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over. This is trading with moderate bearishness here, and when you look at the RSI, this is staying flat. Coming to the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, if you look at the move here, see after the drop, gold is trading in this retracement channel. So it is pretty important first for gold to trade above 3400. That is the level beyond which it is a reversal, beyond which you should stay bullish. Now see what's happening after the rise, retracement. After the rise, it could retrace. Yesterday we have seen the first red candle. There is a possibility that today it may deliver a second red candle here, but for that to happen, the prices need to trade first below 33.40, then 33.30, and then the next critical support at 33.20 will arrive, below which you can expect a greater correction here, where the prices are going to trade towards 3300, 3280 levels. Right now it is looking upwards, staying bullish. The stochastic getting overbought. The MACD has also crossed over on the buy side, staying bullish here. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you are also willing to learn this art of trading, do join my next mentorship batch starting coming Monday. Yes, only limited seats are available. Invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profit throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. Those looking forward to just trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. And if you're looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, where to buy? Ideally, I will now recommend you to buy beyond 3366, 3368 zone is breached. And beyond that also 3374, 76 is the first target, 3384, 85 is the next. Only and only if you see gold trading beyond 33, 84, 85, you can stay bullish, and then we can expect the next targets to be towards 3400. And beyond 3400, it's going to be 3422, 3440, 3450 at the next target. Chances are less, but yes, these are markets. On the downside, I will now recommend a selling entry at 3354 levels till 3340. You have to put a 50 pip trailing stop loss. Means first support will be at around 33.50.48, next will be at around 33.44.45, and the third at around 33.40. Once it trades below 33.40 is where you can say now the bears are back, and then what we are looking forward to, we will see 33.30, 32 first target zone, 33.20, 22 the next. Once it breaches 33.20, 22, ideally I'll be looking forward to 3300 and 32.80, and then 32.60 and lower levels are also possible. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, after the drop, it has stayed in zone. Now it is pretty important, as I've mentioned earlier, 38.60, 38.50 levels. It has to break in order to confirm bullishness. What has happened? Hitting 38.40, we have seen it is struggling to stay bullish and it has dropped here. So now if you see it is staying beyond 38.40, 38.60 levels, you can initiate a buy. The 38.60 is the most important level which it has to break. And once it trades beyond 38.60, 39 is the must. Notice what's happening after the drop, retracement, then the drop has appeared, then a retracement. So now on the downside, it is pretty important for silver to trade below 38.10 and then 37.80 levels. If 37.80 is taken, it is going to deliver a massive down move. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD has already retraced, waiting for a crossover here for the buy side. The RSI is staying flat here. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation, nothing different. Drop, then again a drop, then the retracement, staying in the box. Once it trades beyond 38.40, 38.60 is where the bulls are waiting. Else do not treat silver as bullish. Right now it is trading moderately bearish here, not yet showing aggression here. But notice now, look at the move, rise, retracement. Now it is seen taking support from the 20 period, and a bounce back beyond 38.60 is a good buying entry for us for towards 39, 39.20 zone. The stochastic back to top, the MACD is right now trading bearish. The RSI is staying flat here, not showing much move. Look at 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, what's happening? Similar observation what we had seen on the 2-hour charts, rise, retracement, again looking downwards. If you see it is staying now below 38.10, you can take a sell, but then 37.90, 37.80 it needs to breach, then 37.60 will come into picture. Below 37.60 is where the bears are back. Below the 37.60 is where we can see aggressive bearishness towards 37.30, $37 levels as the next targets. The stochastic is rising here while the MACD has crossed over and it is trading bearish looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. When you see the 4-hour chart, similar observation, but notice pretty important for silver to trade below 38.10, then only you should treat this as bearish. Else what could happen? Breaking beyond 38.40, 38.60, it can deliver a massive reversal. What I treat this move as a kissing move, where it has kissed the 20 period, and now kissing 20 period, it can bounce back. The stochastic rising, the MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped here. Coming to daily chart. On the daily chart, see what has happened yesterday. We have seen a massive pullback from the upside and it has closed in red. Today it has already delivered lower lows. So now it is pretty important. Once silver trades below 37.80, you can expect more bearishness towards 37.60, 30 and 37. Only and only if it trades below 37, treat this as a reversal, else silver can bounce back and recover sharp. The stochastic at the top, the MACD has crossed over, it is trading bullish, the RSI is at top. So looking at this, yes, if you see it is staying beyond 38.40, when you see the lower price above 38.40, take a buy, expect 38.60 levels. And if it stays above 38.60, stay bullish for 39, 39.20. And if that is taken, then 39.45, 39.70, $40 is the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, I have already mentioned below 37.30, 37 is where the bears are waiting, else it can bounce back sharp. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Do what is well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.